If you are a publisher on Amazon, then you will know that Amazon allows you to insert 7 keywords at the back end when uploading your book. This is different from the keywords you can target in your keyword in your book title and in your book description. Apart from the ones you can target in your in your book title and your book description, and also in your book subtitle, Amazon allows you by providing 7 keyword boxes for you to input your keywords that you want your book to rank for. Sorry. In this video, I'm going to explain how to best utilize the 7 boxes, because there's been a lot of confusion lately. People are asking, okay, should we just use 7 keywords or should we just fill the whole boxes? Because each box allows you a maximum of 50 characters. Personally, I've got a lot of questions about this. Should I enter just the keywords, or should I just stuff in everything? Because the truth is, sometimes when you're doing your keyword research, you end up getting more keywords, more than 7 keywords. Yeah, sometimes you might even get up to 20 keywords, and the problem now comes on how to arrange them in the 7 keyword boxes. Once again, welcome to this video, welcome to this channel. I do content on direct publishing and publishing generally. If you're new to this video, if you're new to this channel, then feel free to like this video if you like it. If you don't like it, let me know I don't like it in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss my next video. I also advise you check out some videos on my channel, because I have a lot of interesting videos that you might enjoy in your self-publishing journey. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. Now, the 7 backend keywords are very important. If you're using a software like Publisher Rocket, then you see how important this keyword are. These keywords can be. I recently wrote a book about ear infection, about ear diseases, and I just decided to go to Rocket and then type ear infection. I can see a list of other keywords that are suggested here. Now let me see this one: ear infection, pain relief. This keyword is a nice one. You can see the number of competitors is 47. If you're using Rocket, then you already conversant with this. If you want to buy Rocket, then I have a video about Publisher Rocket review, so you can check the video on this YouTube channel. And if you're already using Rocket, then you can also check that video to see how it goes. Now, I was trying to emphasize the importance of the backend keywords. As you can see from this keyword here, from this one here, I just clicked here and it's showing me this section here is showing me keyword targeting, and you can see the keyword targeting here is no, 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 no. What this means is that this keyword here, ear infection pain relief, was not targeted in the title and in the subtitle. You can see it tells you if the book has targeted keywords in title or subtitle. So you can see this book here is about ear pain due to ear barotrauma, swimmer's ear, sofas ear, blah 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 blah. And there is nothing like ear infection pain relief. Same with this, same with this, same with this, same with this. These authors didn't use anything relating to ear infection pain relief in their title and their subtitle, yet their book ranks for this keyword. That tells you that they used it in the 7 back-end keywords. So you can see how important the 7 back-end keywords are. And I hope this will help you and stop that attitude of trying to put every keyword in the title or in the subtitle, because the 7 keywords title also rank. Now, for you to before I go further into how you can best utilize these 7 keyword boxes, you have to first of all understand how the keyword algorithm work. I've explained this in most of my videos, and I will still do the same thing in this video. Now, Amazon keywords algorithm works on a broad basis. What that means is, if a keyword is ABCD, then if you search BCD or type ACD or ABC or anyhow you want to type it, so provided those keywords are in the way provided you scatter them, but those keywords are still there intact, then that book will still come up. If you want to know more about that, then check out my video on how to how to niche down. Yeah, if you check my video on how to niche down, then you will see that I have something like that there. Now, I also explained this in I think I explained that in keywords category research video, but let me just do it for the sake of people that are just coming across this video and are not already subscribers to my channel. Now, what I mean by that is, if you type noise induced hearing loss. Now, this is a book I recently wrote about ear infection, about ear diseases, and these are the keywords, some keywords I got. I'm definitely not going to use all of them here, and because not all of them are profitable, I'm going to go back and search them individually and see the ones that are profitable. But let's say I want to use noise induced hearing loss. Now, if you type this, my book will rank. If you type noise induced hearing, my book will also rank, provided noise induced hearing is not competitive. If you type induced hearing loss, my book will rank. If you type noise hearing loss induced, my book will also rank. That is how Amazon keywords algorithm works. Now, with that knowledge, let's see how we can fill those 7 keyword boxes without mixing up or complicating issues for ourselves. Now, if you do keyword research, then you already know. I believe you already know. Of course, you should know if you do keyword research that most keywords are related. Now, like this one here, you can see hereditary hearing loss, age-related hearing loss, conductive hearing loss, sensorineural hearing loss. These keywords are related. All of them have one thing in common: hearing loss. So what I will do is I just copy them to my notepad here, and let me paste them. Now, another, let me see if there's another if there are other keywords that are related. Now you can see central hearing loss, mixed hearing loss. Now all of these are related. I just copied a few. Now let's see if you can see another keyword that are related. Of course, you should see it's very common when you're doing keyword research. Now you can see hearing assessment and speech assessment here are also related. These two keywords here are related also. So let me just go back to my notepad and type this. And let's search for other keywords that are related. And let's see here, ear disorder, noise disorder, throat disorder. These ones are also related. And you can see NASA disorder is also there. So let me paste this here and let me type NASA disorder is also here. Now, the reason why you're gathering these keywords that are related is because you want to utilize those 7 keyword boxes. Now, if you imagine going to Amazon and then typing hereditary hearing loss in one keyword box, then typing age-related hearing loss, then typing conductive, before you know, you might have exhausted all the 7 keyword boxes. Now, even if you're typing more than one keyword, in the 7 keyword box, let's say you type hereditary hearing loss and age-related hearing loss in one keyword box. Now you also discover that if you go to the next keyword box and type this and type and type and type, before you know, you might have exhausted those 50 character limit for each 7 keywords, and you still have a lot of keywords to use. Now remember, keywords, Amazon keywords algorithm work in a broad basis, right? So this is how you should utilize this. Now, first of all, you go to your first box, right, and type something like hereditary hearing loss. Yep, go to your first box and type hereditary hearing loss. Let's say first box here. This is the first box. Now you type hereditary hearing loss. Now, because you already typed hereditary hearing loss and you have age-related hearing loss, you're not going to type age-related hearing loss again. You just type age-related. I hope you understand what I'm doing. Don't put a comma. Don't put a comma. Now, age-related. Now, this is one box. Remember, this is box 1. We have typed hereditary age-related hearing loss. Then we type conductive. We type conductive. Age hearing loss. Age-related. We type conductive. And if there is this space, we can also type sensorineural. We can also type this, provided there's this more space, which I believe there should be more space. Now, what we have done here is that you have summarized all 4 keywords here in one box. Now, if someone types hereditary hearing loss, because you didn't put a comma, if you put a comma, you are differentiating the keywords, but you didn't put a comma, so Amazon is going to assume that everything there is one keyword. So if someone types hereditary hearing loss, Amazon will come to your backend and pick up hereditary, pick up hearing loss, and rank your book. If someone types age-related hearing loss, remember these are keywords, right? These are keywords that people are typing per our research. So if someone types age-related hearing loss, Amazon will pick up age-related and then hearing loss here and rank your book. If someone types conductive hearing loss, Amazon will pick up conductive here and hearing loss here and rank your book. So this is how you best utilize your 7 keyword boxes. Gather the related book, gather keywords that are related, and then see how you can combine all of them in one box. Now we have ear disorder here, nose disorder here. Let's use this second example. So in our second box here, we'll type ear disorder. Then we put ear disorder. You can put nose here. It doesn't matter where you arrange it. You might not put everything before the disorder. You can put nose here. You can put throat. You can put NASA. So this is how you best utilize your keywords in your 7 boxes. Hope you found this video interesting. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Subscribe and turn on post notification for more videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.